Imam Hassan al-Askari, the 11th Imam, lived under constant surveillance. The Abbasid rulers feared him, and even when they imprisoned him, they gave him to the cruelest guards. But something strange happened. The moment these guards spent time with the Imam, their hearts changed. The man they were told to hate became the man they admired. One by one, even the hardest soldiers admitted, "We have never seen a man more pious, more truthful, more connected to Allah." This was Imam Hassan al-Askari, a prisoner in the eyes of the world, but a leader in the eyes of heaven. Even chains could not stop his light from reaching hearts. And this light prepared the world for the arrival of his son, the awaited Imam al-Mahdi.